You be the judge. Tell me who you think is at fault in this truck and multi-car accident case. I'm going to show some video and some photographs that have never been seen before on the internet about a car crash and a truck crash case. And I want you to look and I want you to figure out who you think caused this and who was responsible. Hi, I'm Bob Byrne. I'm an attorney who's board certified in handling truck accident cases. And so I represent individuals and families who have been involved in terrible truck crashes and have had horrific injuries or even death. So let's take a look at what happened in this crash. So to begin with, you can see we're on a 4-lane highway separated by a grassy median. And here are some photographs of what happened after the crash. And you can see that there's a large truck involved, and you can see that there are also several vehicles that are involved in a collision. The question we have to ask ourselves is, what happened? And what caused this particular collision? Just to give a little more background, this collision occurred on Interstate 81 in Virginia, heading northbound. And you can see an aerial view roughly of where this particular crash happened. At this place, there's not many obstacles that would obstruct or block someone's view. Now, you do have some turns in the road and some differences in grade as you go up some hills. On this day, you can see it is raining, and it's raining hard enough and it's been raining long enough for the road to be completely wet. There's enough precipitation that people are having to use their windshield wipers. Now, there's two videos that we have, and both of these videos are taken from inside of the truck. The video that I'm going to show first is from a camera that was installed by the truck driver in his truck. And you can see that this is outward looking, and it's tracking where the driver is headed, and you can see basically some of the traffic and some of the things that are going on. So take a look at this video right here.
Right there's a car.
I want to show you another video, and this is taken from a device, a camera that has both an inward facing view that faces on the cab of the truck, but then also an outward facing view that is kind of giving the trucker's vantage point at the same time and place. And so here's this video. Now again, I want to provide this video without my particular insight and my thoughts because I want to hear really unfiltered ideas and unfiltered thoughts that people who are watching this have. Do you think that these cars were at fault? Did these cars cause the crash? And if so, which cars? Can you indicate maybe in order of preference in the comment section which cars you think were responsible for this. Also indicate if you think that the truck driver had any responsibility for this. And maybe I'll do a follow-up video that kind of breaks down what everybody thinks and kind of then do a legal analysis of at least the facts as I see them. So thanks so much for watching. I hope that you do, based on this video, participate, put in the comment section who you think is at fault. I do want to hear what people have to say about this and hear their thoughts. So if you can do that, I would greatly appreciate it. If you have a truck crash case of your own, I hope you're doing well. And if you need someone to point you in the right direction, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm glad to see if I can at least point you in the right direction. But thanks so much for watching. Please consider giving this a like and a subscribe if you haven't. And please stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.